going to give you a full walk around video on this 2017 Ford Shelby GT350. Has 8,800 miles on it. Beautiful car. In the ad copy, there's going to be a full description of it with all the options and specs, etc. So please make sure you read through that. This video is just to give you an overview of the condition of the car, so you can see it a little better if you can't make it here in person. Love the color of this car in the light. I got this car from a local car collector here in San Diego. The several cars that I got from him and sold, or been in contact with him on, have all been in beautiful condition, just like this one. The interior is beautiful, just like the exterior. There's no wear, tears, anything inside the car. Seats, headliner, everything in here is just beautiful. Chassis number H0986. The odometer reads 8,871 miles. Six-speed manual. So push to start and stop. Has launch control, sport exhaust. Check this out. Opens it up, gives a nice throaty sound. Got the oil pressure, oil temp there. The RPM gauge. The speedometer gauge. All the power controls and everything on the steering wheel. Beautiful steering wheel, Alcantara, and then leather. Love this car. Show you the engine. The exhaust is just so nice on these. Beautiful exhaust note. I'll let the camera hang for a minute, just open this. Just beautifully maintained engine. Super low mileage vehicle, but the individual I got this from, he always makes sure all those cars are well maintained. Car is running. Call us if you have any questions. More than happy to help you out.